Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how we can set a song in your Samsung Galaxy as your ringtone. So first of all, launch your Samsung Galaxy phone. You will see a page like this once you're in your home screen. Select Settings application from here. And here, you're going to have the directly search for sound at the top search bar. If not, you can also select the sounds and vibration from the given option. Likewise, you will see ringtone. Go ahead and tap onto it. If you have dual SIM, you will see it just like this. This is my SIM 1, this is my SIM 2, which is my secondary SIM card. So let's go ahead and add a music. So first of all, if you scroll below, you will see all of these default ringtone. If you would like to add a specific song, select this plus button. And as you do that, all you have to do is select a specific song from this. And all you have to do is select done. And likewise, this is how you can set a song as a ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy. Thank you all for watching, guys. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.